Good morning to all. Myself Pratibha Chaudhary. Students, today we read about adjective in our class. We read adjective and its kind in chapter number 8. Let us forward to our chapter. We discuss about adjective. An adjective is a word which qualifies or describes the noun or pronoun. For example, Ram is a brave boy. To be brave is the quality of Ram, since Ram is a noun, hence brave is an adjective. Number second, Sumit is an intelligent boy. In this sentence, the word intelligent qualifies the quality of the noun Sumit. Let's discuss about kinds of adjective. Number 1 is adjective of quality. Number 2 is adjective of quantity. Number 3 is demonstrative adjective. Fourth one is interrogative adjective. Fifth one is distributive adjective. Sixth is adjectives of number. And the last is possessive adjective. Let's look into them one by one in detail. Number 1 is adjective of quality. An adjective of quality describes the quality of a person, place, animal or thing. So for example, fox is a clever animal. The fox is a clever animal. Here, what is the quality of fox? That she is clever. Now come to our second kind, adjective of quantity. An adjective of quantity shows the quantity of a thing. We read through an example. For example, is there any rice in the pot? Here the word any shows the quantity of indefinite rice which the pot have. Now we come to third part, demonstrative adjective. A demonstrative adjective is used to point out which person, animal, place or thing is referred to. Note word point. For example, this box is very heavy. As I have told you that demonstrative adjective point out the thing. So in this sentence, the word this point out the box about which we talking about, that it is very heavy, or we can say that the word this point out a particular box. Second sentence is these books are not in good condition. These books are not in good condition. The word these point out some particular books that are not in good condition. Fourth, interrogative adjective. An interrogative adjective is used to ask a question. In this sentence, we ask a question. For example, which train is late? Here the word which comes before the word train, which is asking a question. Same as second sentence, whose bicycle is this? The word whose comes before the noun bicycle, and whose word is used to asking a question. Fifth is distributive adjectives. A distributive adjective is used to refer to the persons or things for a group taken one at a time. For example, every country has a national flag. In this sentence, the word every indicates each country has its national flag. Now, sixth is adjectives of number. An adjective of number indicates the exact number of persons, places, animals or things. Please note the word exact. For example, there were 26 people at the party. So we are talking about exact number, that is 26. How many people present at the party? In this sentence we are talking about exact number 26. Last is possessive adjectives. Possessive adjective shows relation between particular person, place, animal or thing. For example, your sister is my friend. My book is on the table. That is his book. Now look at in this sentences your sister. Here the word your qualifies the noun sister. Here the word my qualifies the noun my. They show relationship between your sister is my friend. So your sister and my friend. Second, my book is on the table. It shows the relation that my book is on the table, that the book is on the table. So the word my qualifies the noun book. Where is the book? The book is on the table. That is his book. Whose book is this? That is his book. So the word his here qualifies the noun book. Here the words your, my and his are possessive adjectives. So students, I have completed this chapter. Exercises. Exercise number 1. Point out the adjectives in the following sentences and mention their kinds. Number 1. I need those toys. In this sentence, those, point out the particular toys. So those is a adjective, demonstrative adjective. Which city do you live in? The word which comes before the noun city, which is used to ask a question, so it is an interrogative adjective. Ria is a beautiful girl. In this sentence, the word beautiful qualifies the quality of a girl, that is Ria. Ria is a noun. Beautiful is an adjective of quality. Number 4. This house has been constructed recently. In this sentence, this point out a particular house. So this is demonstrative adjective. We have had enough exercise. In this sentence, enough is used to show the indefinite quantity of exercise. Enough is an adjective of quantity. You should take neither side. Neither is an adjective, that is distributive adjective. Whose poem are you going to recite? The word whose, which comes before the poem, is used to ask a question. So it is interrogative adjective. He has lost all his wealth. The word all shows the quantity of his wealth, that is he has lost. So all is adjective of quantity. So now we come to our next exercise. Here some columns are given below in which the kind of adjective are mentioned. We have to write the words of each kind in the column respectively. As you can see, quality, quantity, distributive, number, possessive. One example is given to you, another you have to do yourself. Adjective of quality: sweet, clever, large, green, beautiful. These all shows the quality. Quantity: enough, any, much, little, whole. These words shows the quantity of anything. Distributive adjective: each, every, either, neither, any. Adjective of number: first, second, third, 20, 10. These words shows the exact number. Possessive: my, your, his, her, our. Now our next exercise is C. Fill in the blanks with possessive adjectives. First, have you completed dash maths assignment? You have to fill in this blank your. Here the subject is you, so you have to fill your according to the subject. She is doing her work. The possessive case of she is her. This bicycle was gifted to me by his uncle. Bhavna helps her mother in cooking. Here Bhavna is feminine gender, so we use her. Ravi gave dash books to me. His. They should be sincere towards dash duties. The possessive case of they is their. Paras will invite all his friends to party. You should obey your parents. The possessive case of you is your. Now come to our next exercise G. Fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives. You have to fill the blanks with suitable adjectives. First is I like dash vegetables. Green. Emperor Akbar was a dash ruler. Wise. Did you get dash message from your friend? Any. Dash toys are very attractive. Those toys are very attractive. Cycling is a dash exercise. Good. Cycling is a good exercise. I need dash money to purchase a new dress. Some money. Seven. Science seems to be an dash subject. Interesting. Dash fruit do you like the most? Which? Last exercise is complete the table below. In this exercise, we have to fill the missing opposite word in the table. As you can see, word opposite. Ancient. The opposite word of ancient is modern. Here foolish. Opposite of foolish is wise. Heavy. Opposite of heavy is light. Cruel. Cruel. Opposite of cruel is kind. Small. Big. Tall. Short. Brave. Coward. Happy. Sad. Fresh. Still. Weak. Opposite of weak is strong. Thank you, students.